How to tie the Balthus knot. So grab your tie, put it around your neck with the seam side facing forward and the wide side on the left. This is a large knot, so you're going to want to pull the wide end very far down. Form an X with your tie, the wide end coming underneath. Bring the wide end up and into the hole you formed with the X. Pull that down and over to the left side. Come back up and into the hole again. Pull down and over to the right side. Come back up and into the hole you formed with the X again. Pull that down and over to the left side. Now come across the knot you've been forming. Tuck your finger in here to make it easier to grab. And come up the hole you formed with the X, in to the loop you've formed, and pull down to cinch up your knot. And you can cinch that up to your collar. And there's the Balthus knot. Thanks for watching.